In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes in Squarespace. We'll walk through the entire process together, from logging in to setting up the discount details to saving everything so it's ready for your customers to use. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything lives and how to set up a promotion that works the way you want it to. First, log into your Squarespace account using your usual details. Once you're in your site dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel. Find the section labeled Products and Services. Go ahead and click that. When it expands, you'll see an option called Discounts. Click Discounts and then look for a button or link that says Add Discount. This is where you'll create a new promotion. Squarespace will now ask you to choose a discount type. You can pick from % off, amount off, buy X get Y, or free shipping or local delivery. Each one works a little differently. % off is great when you want to take, for example, 10% or 20% off an order or specific products. Amount off is better if you want a fixed discount, like $5 off. Buy X get Y is useful for multi-item offers. And free shipping or local delivery is perfect when you want to remove delivery costs as the incentive. For this walkthrough, let's choose % off, since it's one of the most common options. Next, you'll fill in the details. Start by entering a discount name. This is mostly for your own reference so you can recognize it later. So choose something clear and descriptive, like Spring Sale 20%. Then choose the trigger for the discount. You have two choices: a discount code that customers manually enter at checkout, or an automatic discount that is applied when conditions are met. For this example, select automatic discount, so your shoppers don't have to remember a code. Now, set your offer. Enter the discount percentage you want to give, such as 10% or 25%. Then choose what the discount applies to. You can usually limit it to specific products, categories, or apply it to the entire order. Take a moment to double check that you're applying it to the correct items, especially if you don't want everything on your site discounted. Below that, you'll see optional rules and limitations. These are really helpful for controlling how your promotion is used. You can limit the total number of orders that can use this discount, which is great for a limited availability promotion. You can also limit it to one order per customer, so people don't reuse the same discount over and over. If you sell subscriptions, you'll see controls for how the discount works with those. You can choose to exclude subscription products completely, or decide whether the discount applies only to the first payment or to all payments in the subscription. Finally, set a start date and an expiration date for your promotion. This lets you schedule sales in advance or make sure they end automatically. If you want the discount to be ongoing, you can enable the option for never expires instead. When you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the setup, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. That will activate your new discount based on the start date you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully created a discount in Squarespace, ready to help you run promotions and boost your sales.